Your head weighs about 5 kilos. Hunched over a screen, your neck is carrying closer to 27. It's almost a small child sitting on your spine, and I do it to myself 10 hours a day. So I spent 30 days testing whether this folding gadget can undo the damage or whether it's a heated placebo. This is the SKG G7 Pro Fold. It folds in half, drops in a bag, and it's doing a lot more to my neck than the 20 quid vibrating collar you have seen on Amazon. Full disclosure, SKG sent me over this unit to review. The test, the numbers, and the experience are all mine. Quick map. First, the actual science behind what 10 hours of slouching over a desk does to your neck. Then, I test what each part of this actually does, including the part that most reviews completely skip. And right at the end, the one thing that it absolutely cannot fix. Stay for that last part because the honest answer even surprised me. Here is the scary version first. There's a famous study by a spine surgeon called Hansraj. Neutral, your head is about 5 kilos. Tilted 15 degrees and the load is around 12. 30 degrees, 18. 45, 22 kg. At 60 degrees, the angle you hit when you really lean into a bug, your neck is carrying about 27 kilos. That's the weight of an 8-year-old hanging off your spine. Now, here's the honest engineer caveat, because bad data annoys me and I'm not here to convince you to really purchase this product. Those numbers come from a computer model, not from someone actually measuring my spine. And neck pain is genuinely messy. Age, stress, sleep, your job, even your mood feed into it. So ignore the doom. The thing that actually makes your neck pain by 6 p.m. is simpler and far better evidence. It's these muscles, the upper traps. When you sit still and type for hours, the same small fibers get switched on first and then never clock off. Same fibers firing for 10 hours, no rest, blood flow drops, tiny bits of strain build up. That is the rock hard knot you can feel by the end of a sprint. It isn't that your posture is broken. It's that your neck muscles have done an unpaid 10-hour shift with no lunch break. I measured mine across a workday with a phone protractor app. Not a clinical tool, but the same one that even you have got. So take it as best effort, not lab grade. R1 versus R10. The slump is real. And the angle gets worse the longer the day runs. So the real question is, can this gadget do anything for muscles that never got a proper break? Or is it just a nice looking gimmick? Let's stop theorizing and test this properly, mode by mode. First, the thing itself. A foldable cordless collar with 9 floating massage heads that sit from the base of your skull down to your shoulders. The build is genuinely premium. Protein leather cushion. It won an IF Design Award in 2024 and there's no break-in. It's comfortable from the first wear. One honest niggle. The controls are a 5-way rocker button and they are slightly less intuitive. Sometimes I ended up pressing the wrong thing for about a week. You do get used to it, but obvious it is not. Test 1. Heat. And this is the part with the most solid science behind it. Warmth widens your blood vessels and pulls more blood into the tissue, and that is physically why a tight muscle loosens off. SKG described this as red light and near-infrared therapy. 2 wavelengths, 640 nanometer red and 850 near-infrared. With graphene pads, they say reach about 10 millimeters into the muscle. Subjectively, this is my favorite part by a mile, and every other reviewer says the same. After a long tiring day, the heat is what I reach for, not the fancy modes. It comes up fast, it's even, and on a cold evening, it's the single nicest thing about wearing it. Test 2. The vibration. And here's an expectation I need to reset hard. This is a sustained, steady vibration, not the punchy percussion of a massage gun, and not deep shiatsu kneading. There are no motorized thumbs digging into a knot. It's gentler and frankly safer for something wrapped around your neck. If you came here wanting something to physically beat the knots out, this is not that. It's relaxation, not a workout. The upside? It is near silent. I genuinely wore it through work calls and nobody noticed. And then the part that genuinely surprised me. This isn't only a vibrating collar. It also sends a real, mild electrical pulse, TENS and EMS. Quick translation. TENS sends a current that basically jams the pain signal in your spinal cord before it reaches your brain, the gate control effect, and may nudge a few endorphins along the way. EMS goes a step further and gently contracts the muscle itself, like a tiny involuntary workout for the knot. SKG drive it up to a claimed 7 kHz to create a light stretching neck traction feel. Two honest tips, and the second one is the most useful tip in this entire video. One, it feels a bit weird for the first 30 seconds. Properly zappy if you crank it all the way up to max setting. So start on level 1, let your nerves catch up, then climb. Do not be a hero. 2, lightly moisturize your skin first. Dry, it's prickly and uneven. Damp, the current flows freely and it's genuinely pleasant. On the evidence, the heat is well established. The electrical side is plausible by mechanism, but to be honest, the research on TENS for this kind of pain is thin, and even the NHS calls it temporary relief. So I'm telling you what it does for me day to day, not making a medical claim. And a real safety line, because this uses actual current, do not use it if you have a pacemaker or a metal or cervical implant. That one is not optional. Here's an app. It pairs over Bluetooth, lets you fine-tune the heat, vibration, and pulse separately. Set a timer and track your usage. And here's where it gets interesting. On the device, you get 5 modes, but the app unlocks the full 11. There's one called Dopamine Tech, a variable intensity pattern, and a dedicated neck decompression mode you literally cannot reach from the buttons. Remember the hidden mode I teased? That's it. 2 engineers' notes here. First, the pairing with the smartphone app was very straightforward. It only took me a few seconds. Second, and I say this as someone who ships software for a living, something that I really appreciate about this massager is that it works completely fine as a standalone device, even without the companion app. For me personally, it reduces that one dependency between the massager and the smartphone. If my phone is dead, the massager still works perfectly well.
Hi, SKG G7 Pro Fold.
Now the honest bit I promised, and it matters mostly for setting your expectations. Think of this as relief, not a cure. And that's true of the whole category, not just this device. The heat and the massage genuinely loosen a tight, sore neck after a long day, and that part really works. What they don't do is rewire your posture or strengthen the muscles, and they were never meant to. The real cause is me sitting still for 10 hours, so the lasting fix is my own breaks and movement. Go in wanting end of day relief, and it delivers exactly that. Just don't expect any gadget, this one or any other, to permanently undo a long desk day. The pro part of the name is the fold. It folds flat, drops into its own pouch, and disappears into the same bag as my laptop. So it comes out for the kitchen table coding sessions, the sofa, even the car. Manufacturer claimed weight is around 270 grams. Cordless runtime is a claimed 140 minutes on the 2400 milliamp hour battery over standard USB-C. No proprietary cable nonsense. Here's where I landed after a month. The best thing I do for my neck is still getting up and moving away from the screen. This became my wind down on top of that, the 10-minute reset for the evenings when I'm fried. And once I started using it as relief rather than expecting a miracle, I genuinely looked forward to it. So, the verdict, did it undo what 10 hours of coding did to my neck? No, but to be fair, nothing passive could, and that was never really its job. What it is genuinely good relief for a tight fried neck and shoulders. And this is the best one-off neck massagers that I've used. At a UK price of around £150, it is a premium pick, but you're getting 4 things in one folding unit. Heat, vibration, the electric pulse, and the app. It's a great fit if you do long, static screen days and want real end-of-day relief that you'll actually reach for. It's probably not the one for you if you want a deep percussive massage gun, because that simply is a different tool. And on safety, again, it's off the table if you have a pacemaker or a metal cervical implant. One fair heads up, run max heat and max pulse together and the battery expectedly drops faster. So treat the 140 minutes as a best case scenario. I'm keeping this one with me for the next 90 days. Then I'll report back on the things that actually matter long term, how the app works, how this device has worn in. Subscribe so you can catch that. Link and code are in the description below. Now go for a quick 5-minute walk. Your traps will definitely thank you. See you in the next one.
Massage complete.